Good afternoon and welcome to NOVATazz Customs. This is Chevy. My name's Sean, and I wanted to thank all of my subscribers. I am now up to 1,225 subscribers as of this morning. I appreciate all of the comments and the likes that I have been getting. Please be sure to leave a comment. I do read them all, and I do reply to as many as I can. Also, if you are noticing my hoodie and are liking it, you can find them in the first link down below in the description. They are in stock now, so get them while you can. I have the Trans Am, the Nova, and I have both of the cars on the same shirt. Let me know if you want me to make one for this truck. If you guys are Dodge fans and want a NOVATazz Customs with the Dodge on the front, let me know. And if I get enough requests for them, I'll make a design for those as well. So today we are going to finish getting this back together. We need to put the drive shafts in, hook everything back up, and while we're down there, we're going to test the vacuum lines for the four-wheel drive unit itself. Because if you go back further enough in my videos, you'll know about the GOAT. Now, if you don't know about the GOAT, you better go back and go check. Maybe I'll put the link to the video up here. If not, the video is titled "The GOAT Ate My Truck." Go check that shit out. So, without too much more rambling on, let's get to work. The first thing we're going to do is put the drive shafts back in this and get all the big parts buttoned up, like the starter and stuff like that. And then we'll just hook up all the wiring and that stuff. And we need to get some transmission fluid to dump in this, because this thing eats a lot of transmission fluid. Hopefully we can go four-wheeling soon, right?
Hopefully.
We kind of missed most of the snow, but you know, there's still summer and mud pits. So let's get on this, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Alrighty, guys. Ugh. I'm gonna take you down under here. We have a drive shaft in. All of this stuff is hooked up there, and we're just buttoning up some stupid stuff. We do not gonna put the front drive shaft in just yet because we still have an issue with that the four-wheel drive unit, and we want to make sure that we get that fixed before we hook that front drive shaft up. I know that it's going to still spin, but there's no point in doing it twice. The point is just to test the transmission to make sure that the transmission actually drives on its own. We got to go run and go get some fluid and fill her up, hook the battery back up, and she should be ready to move. So we're gonna go run to the store real quick and get us some fluid so we can see if this truck moves. Alright, we'll get back to you when we get back. Alrighty guys, we're tightening up the battery And we got 4 quarts in already. We're going to start up the truck so that way the transmission fluid will circulate a little bit as we put the other 4 quarts that I have here in. Then we'll check the transmission fluid level. Alright, YouTubers, I'm not having a good night. After taking a bit to get the truck started, we filled it with fluid and went to go do a test, and I still have the same issue. I have no forward gears, and but I do have reverse. Okay, guys, it's been a few days since the video that I had that you just saw. I did order a pressure test gauge for automatic transmissions and oil pressure. It just came in the mail today. It's been like 2 or 3 days later. So we will have to get back out to the truck and test this gauge. It does come with 2 different gauges. Let me show you them real quick. There you go. It comes with your 0 to 100 and your 0 to 400 for testing the reverse pressure ports. So we will have to put this to use. I'm sure it'll come in handy with some other things that I may have coming on in the future. And I'll have to have CHEVY come back out and help me again with that as well. If you happen to have any idea what is wrong with this transmission and would like to help, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, because honestly I'm getting quite frustrated with this truck. I will find out what's wrong with it and we will get it back on the road. If I have to, I will go out and go get another transmission and throw that in. If that is the case, it will be a little bit and this truck will have to sit outside until I can do that. But we do have other projects in the works. We have a buddy of mine, 76 Nova, where we're going to take the brake system off of a 4th gen F-body. If you guys don't know what that is, it's Camaro or Firebird from 93 up to 2002. And we're going to install that on his 76, so that way he has disc brakes all the way around. His car is more set up for drag racing. So he basically just wants to be able to stop better. We still have the Trans Am to get in the shop. It needs a carburetor rebuild, and we also have to work on the transmission of that as well. Plus put it all back together so it can get ready for inspection, so that way I can drive it this summer and we can go beat the snot out of that thing. We also have the 77 Nova shell to get into the shop, strip down, and start repairing what little damage is to that car. I do know we have to do the quarter window, the bottom part of the quarter window. It needs both quarters, wheel tubs, because we are widening the rear tubs. We're also going to relocate the shocks inbound inside of the leaf springs, and some stupid little odds and ends stuff that's damaged to it. Get that taken care of, buttoned up, so we can start restoring that car. Also, we have some actual aftermarket stuff to do to the truck, just cosmetic stuff that I want to do to it. So hopefully you guys like these videos, and I do appreciate all of the comments and the likes, like I said earlier in the video. And I'm rambling on now. So I'll see you guys later. Until next time, have a great day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right. Bye-bye.